This is a beautiful demantoid garnet ring. As you can see, the gemstone is very, very clean. Just rainbow colors. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. That's a rainbow. Very beautiful piece. You can see the back. Very, very clean. There's some rainbows in the back. See if I can get it in the sun.